If you want to learn how to create professional 3D AI logos that attract clients and make money online, then you are in the right place. Welcome to Coach VIP AI Academy, the home of AI video editing. Watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you step by step how this powerful 3D logo was created. Don't skip this video. Your creativity is about to level up. Subscribe to Coach AI Academy now.
So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create 3D logo for free. So we're using this app called ChatGPT to generate the prompt and the logo. So let's go click on ChatGPT and wait for it to load. So if you are coming across the video for the first time, kindly like and subscribe. So you answer ChatGPT the prompt, you answer ChatGPT what you want him to generate for you. So I already have a prompt before, so I will just read it out. So create me a 3D logo for Coach VIP AI Academy, the home of AI video editing. Add my WhatsApp number to it. You can see I will tell and I'll make it more interesting. For adverts, make it more interesting for advert. Then ChatGPT will automatically generate the prompt for me. So let's watch, guys. Let's see the amazing advert logo we are getting from ChatGPT. You can see all these are the logo prompts. You can see this is me doing the logo prompts. All these are the logo prompts, the tagline, the text, the style, the WhatsApp integration. You can see all these are the prompts. So you are not going to waste more for that time. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to create them for us. To ask ChatGPT create it for me. After cross-checking your prompt, if it's okay with you, so you ask ChatGPT to create it for me. So ChatGPT will automatically create it for you. You can see. You tell ChatGPT to create it for me and automatically create it for you. So you send. You can see. This is the prompt. This is the logo generating. So let's watch and see the results. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. You can see the logo has finally generated. So this is the logo. Wow, man, you can see the logo. This is called 3D logos. Can you use it for business advert? Can see the logo for promotion. Can promote a brand company with 3D logos. You learn how to create 3D logo for promotion. You can see. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is the logo and it is free with just one AI tools. Make sure you like. If you are coming across the video for the first time, please kindly like, subscribe and share.
Drop interested in the comment section if you want to learn how to turn your 3D logo into an animated logo for your video.